Chester, are you watching Daisy here? That was supposed to be for you. She's eating it. But you've been very good and very patient there, waiting. Oh, you're telling her off. Right. Okay, you can get it. Hi, Chester. You and Daisy seem to be quite good friends, really. For you to allow her to go in your cage and eat her tea and eat your tea. Chester. Oh, she's going. Chester. Chester.
Yeah, Chester.
Well, you get your tea then. If you don't want your tea, she'll have it. Chester. Well, you're wet now, that's your problem. Good game, isn't it? Good game. Extra work for us, cleaning out the water bucket again. Well. Zoom is with a food bucket now, is it? I don't think Elliot will be very pleased about that. Okay. Chester, that's not yours. No, Chester. No. Come on, Chester. No. That's not for the cats or you, that's the babies. But you do think you're a cat and that you can sit in the window and look out where the cats do. Someone's just been washed. Going to have to get you off now. Chester's trying to help himself to the cat food. Are you trying to cover up what you're doing now, Chester? No, you're not meant to do that either. Chester! Chester! I'm pretending you're not doing anything now.